The creation of the first railway is a fascinating tale of innovation, perseverance, and the transformative power of technology. The story centers around George Stephenson, a self-taught engineer whose vision and determination laid the foundation for modern rail transport. Part 1. Early Life and Inspiration. George Stephenson was born on 9 June 1781 in Wylam, a village near Newcastle upon Tyne in England. Coming from a humble background, his father worked as a fireman in a coal mine. Young George showed an early interest in machinery, often tinkering with mechanical objects around the house. At a young age, George started working at the Wylam Colliery to help support his family. His job involved operating steam engines used for pumping water out of the mines. This exposure sparked his fascination with steam power. Determined to learn more, George took night classes to study reading, writing, and arithmetic, and spent his spare time studying and repairing engines. Part 2. The Industrial Revolution and the Need for Railways. The early 19th century was a period of rapid industrial growth. Factories, mines, and mills were producing goods at unprecedented rates, but transportation was a significant bottleneck. Roads were often muddy and impassable, and canals, while effective, were slow and limited to certain routes. There was a growing need for a more efficient means of transporting goods. In the early 1800s, railways existed in a primitive form. Wooden or metal rails, originally designed for horse-drawn carts, were used in mines to move coal more efficiently. However, these early railways were limited in scope and not widely adopted for broader transportation needs. Part 3. The Invention of the Locomotive. George Stephenson recognized the potential of using steam engines to power locomotives on rails. In 1814, while working as an enginewright at the Killingworth Colliery, he built his first locomotive, named Blucher. This locomotive could haul 8 loaded coal wagons at a speed of about 4 miles per hour, a significant improvement over horse-drawn carts. Encouraged by this success, Stephenson continued to refine his designs. He introduced several innovations, including flanged wheels that better gripped the rails and improved the efficiency of the engine. His next significant project was the Locomotion No. 1, built in 1825 for the Stockton and Darlington Railway, the world's first public railway to use steam locomotives. Part 4. The Stockton and Darlington Railway. The Stockton and Darlington Railway, established in northeast England, was initially conceived to transport coal from inland mines to the port at Stockton-on-Tees. The railway company hired George Stephenson as their chief engineer, recognizing his expertise in locomotive design. On 27 September 1825, the Stockton and Darlington Railway opened with great fanfare. George Stephenson himself drove the Locomotion No. 1 on its inaugural journey, carrying not just coal but also passengers. The train traveled a distance of 25 miles, marking the first time a steam-powered locomotive was used for passenger transport. The success of this railway demonstrated the feasibility and potential of steam-powered rail transport. Part 5. The Liverpool and Manchester Railway. Buoyed by the success of the Stockton and Darlington Railway, the concept of rail transport began to gain broader acceptance. The industrial cities of Liverpool and Manchester, major centers of commerce and industry, faced significant transportation challenges. The existing canal system was insufficient to meet their needs, leading to the proposal of a railway line connecting the two cities. In 1826, the Liverpool and Manchester Railway Company was established, and George Stephenson was appointed chief engineer. The project faced numerous challenges, including difficult terrain, opposition from landowners, and financial constraints. Stephenson's perseverance and innovative solutions, such as the use of inclined planes and tunnels, were crucial in overcoming these obstacles. A major milestone was the Rainhill Trials, held in 1829 to determine the best locomotive design for the railway. Stephenson's rocket emerged victorious, showcasing advanced features such as a multi-tube boiler and a separate firebox, which significantly improved efficiency and power. The rocket could reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, a remarkable achievement at the time. Part 6. The inaugural journey and impact. The Liverpool and Manchester Railway was officially opened on 15 September 1830. Dignitaries, including the Prime Minister, attended the grand event. The railway's success was immediate and profound, revolutionizing transportation and commerce. Goods and passengers could now travel between the two cities in a fraction of the time it took by road or canal. The success of the Liverpool and Manchester Railway sparked a railway boom across Britain and the world. Railways became the backbone of the Industrial Revolution, facilitating the rapid movement of goods and people, spurring economic growth, and transforming society. Stephenson's innovations and the principles he established in railway engineering set the standard for future developments in the field. Epilogue. Legacy of George Stephenson. George Stephenson, often called the father of railways, continued to contribute to the development of rail transport until his death in 1848. His pioneering work laid the foundation for the global railway network, transforming the way people lived and worked. Stephenson's legacy is not just in the physical infrastructure he helped create but also in the spirit of innovation and determination he embodied. His life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, education, and the pursuit of a vision. The railways he built connected not just cities and industries but also hearts and minds, bringing people closer together and driving progress. Today, railways remain a vital part of the global transportation network, and the principles of Stephenson's early designs continue to influence modern engineering. The story of the first railway is a story of human ingenuity and the relentless drive to overcome challenges and build a better future. This tale of the first railway and George Stephenson's contributions is a reminder of the transformative power of technology and the enduring impact of visionary individuals.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video.